Welcome to another episode of Dye Project Tinkercad CodeBlocks 3D tutorial.
In this video, we're going to make a Christmas tree as a home decor. We are getting near to Christmas, so this will be a home decor hanger for our trees also. So for this, I'm going to rename my project. I'm setting the name as tree. So as usual, we're going to create one new object. Then I'm going to math. Here, I'm creating one new variable. I'm setting the variable value as 0 at the beginning. Then I'm going to use a repeat loop. In this repeat loop, I'm going to repeat it 3 times. Inside this, I'm going to use my shape. So the shape I'm going to use will be a cone. So with this cone, I'm modifying the bottom radius with a math operation, that is 20 minus my variable value multiplied with 3. The height will be 30. The thing is, the bottom radius of my cone will be reduced when the loop is running each time by minus 3, the multiples of minus 3. So at the first, my bottom radius will be 20. When the loop is repeating once, I am going to increase my variable value by 1. So my subtraction value will be 3 here. When the loop is running another time, my variable value will be 2 and 20 will be subtracted with 2 into 3, which is 6. Likewise, the loop will repeat 3 times. In this loop itself, I am going to use my move operation. Same with the math operation. I am going to move it in z-axis by 15 units, which is multiplied with my variable value. Once it's done, let's see what we have created. So the outline of the tree is created. Keeping this as my reference, I'm going to create a stem and star for my tree. Before that, I'm going to change the color of this cone to green. Then I'm going to use a add operation to add this star. The color of the star can be anything. I'm using yellow here. So for the star, I am reducing the radius to 7 and everything will be the same. I am going to move this in z-axis by 48 units and I am going to rotate it twice in x-axis and in y-axis. In x-axis I will be rotating by 90 and in y-axis I will be rotating by minus 20 to make the edge of the star touch the cone. Then after doing this, I am going to create a groove out of it. So this is what we have created. You can reduce the height of this star and change the 2. I am going to move this above the plane by 30 units. After this, I am going to use one cylinder, let the color be brown, and the radius of this will be 5, followed by height to 20, and side can be anything. Now I am going to move this also by 10 to make everything above the plane. This will be our Christmas tree. You can make a hole at the star to make it like an hanger, or you can put a base like this. To make it as a table decor. So that's all for today.
If you like the video, press the like button, put your feedback in comment box, share the video. Let's see you in next video.